Alright guys, cool stuff here with the Mustang. Huge update. Um, but the water pump pulley, that's an aluminum pulley. Installed that last night. Cleaned it up, polished it back up, and installed it. Crankshaft pulley, it's also aluminum. So they're underdrive pulleys, basically, to free up horsepower. And I have the whole set. I have one for the, believe it or not, the smog pump has an aluminum pulley. The power steering pump has an aluminum pulley. Alternator, I don't think I put that one on there, but I do have it. And what else? So it's a whole set of pulleys. Make it lightweight in the front. I did that, and core support's done. All welded up. Not the perfect welds. I kind of see a little bit of the paint. The paint started cracking a bit, but it's like rarely noticeable. Anyways, everything got welded, grinded down, and repainted, retouched up everything in black. So I put the battery tray in. This is for my stereo amplifier fuse box. For the starter solenoid relay. The regulator, voltage regulator, back on the firewall or on the sidewall. This is for the air duct, for the air filter. There's another one. It has dual air ducts that go on there. This is a DuraSpark, controls the spark going to the distributor. That's already back installed. The water tank and horns are back installed on it. Everything's installed. Fenders, everything's lined up. Hood is back up. Front end looks beautiful, nice and straight. See that? Just close the hood. The hood actually closes perfectly now. Just drop it a little bit. Check that out. Beautiful front end. I just gotta get it repainted, but we'll get the heads. I gotta get the heads and the intake manifold, and then start building from there. So stay tuned for that.